Hi everyone, happy new year. How are you doing? Are you in the markets? Are you not? I wanted to do a quick video that I had seen that a few people had asked about how I'm using the Stock Traders Almanac. And this is new. This is the 2021 if by the time you're watching this. And okay, so this is wow, really time flies. This is 2019, 2020, 2021. God, we survived. Didn't we survive this together? I need to put this in a frame. But wow. So again, yes, I had seen in under the comments in my last video, I guess maybe it was my first one, I can't remember, of how am I using this book, Stock Traders Almanac. And again, let me just go ahead and confirm Jeffrey and Christopher did not tell me to do this. I found this on my own, and I wish someone would have told me when I started trading. So I am here telling you about this book. And I know when I first bought it, I think the first year I was also like, how am I going to use this? Like, I wanted to find something that would enhance my trading. Of course, as traders, we're always trying to find something that's going to help us with our trades. So I'll be honest, the first year, I bought this towards the end of the year, and I could say that because this is the first time I bought this. I also have my trades in here. Ain't that cute? I trade AMD. Back when AMD was, oh my God, let's look at this together. AMD, I thought it was option trade. Man, I can't tell the price. But yeah, I think it was, this was in September because I remember I didn't have anything up here. Though it was nice. The material, like I said in the last video, he has really good material. It talks about like just history of how the markets are working out. And I do like this. This is what I like the most. I read this same thing in the 2021. He has this 2019 outlook. This was good, and I really liked this in particular to this year. Of course, no one really knew much in this year. I'll be honest, I didn't look at his outlook in 2020. But this was really good. And I also say that because when he talked about the 2021 outlook for this year, he talked about as far as what happened last year and as far as the GPD and how companies are going to react to that and what we should, not saying that what we should be looking for, but how we did have the shortest bear market in history as far as he said, which lasted only 40 days and it was short. And believe me, we're still feeling the effects of it right now. So how is Corinne, not Corin. How is Corinne using this? I am using this. I trade stock options, as you know. And I do trade stocks as far as like just common shares every now and then, just for a swing, not that much. I love stock options. And if you love stock options, you're also crazy. Stock options is for psychopaths. But I love to look at these icons. And this is, again, he explains as far as how these icons, how he has these icons on this calendar. And they are based on as far as the history and indicator of the market. Apparently there are other seasonal indicators or almanacs like this. I don't know of any. If you know any, please let me know. I hate to always use just one sole source all the time, but this helps me for a while. And I'll be honest, again, like I said, this is an indicator. And I like to share this with my other trader friends too, that this is not something that you need to base your trades from. Because let's just have an example. Like, goodness, as I'm taking this video, it's January 15th. Well, actually, it's 12 at night, sorry. It's January 14th. So let me see with you so I can show you what I'm talking about. So this was this week. So Monday, bull indication. It also has icons as far as like, I guess, how it's been up. First trading day of the January expiration week, Dow up 18 of last 28, but down 5 of last 7. So again, seasonality indicator. This is Monday was bullish, Tuesday was bullish, and Wednesday was bullish. Was it actually bullish? No, it wasn't actually bullish. It was actually, I believe it was bearish, and bearish. And then actually bearish, and bull. But we also, this is at the time of viewing this, this is when we had the whole rampage at the Capitol. Dear God, I'm not going to get into politics. But yeah, so this wasn't very accurate. But again, this is an indicator. And as traders, as we know, everything is an indicator. You don't put your life on it. So again, just have to say that, not financial advice. Is that what I'm supposed to say? So I love to use this. I love to use this. And I love to see what he says about the outlooks of the months. And I love what he talked about. He talked about in this book about the post-election years. Here we go. Post-election years performance by party. And this stuff is really good information. Like, I hope you guys can get some good trades and good information from this, because I just sprung upon this one day and I was like, this is pretty bad. But again, don't base your life on it. Don't base your life on any indicator. You just see what helps your trades that gives you the best edge. So again, I read the stuff he has in here, not all the time. I try to a lot of the time, and mostly the indicators. And these work for me. No promises. Can't promise nothing. Dear God. But again, the price. I know a lot of my friends talked about the price, so this video is already 6 minutes long. Friends have talked about the price, and I actually pre-ordered this. This is my first time, maybe my second time pre-ordering this. And I pre-ordered this. I think it was like, $50, whatever. Do I think it was worth it this time? Me, personally, that's my opinion. You don't have to. Again, the price ranges throughout the year. So, like I said, this was accurate. This was not accurate during the crash. But after the crash, in my opinion, I thought it was pretty accurate, man. But I did not base all my trades off of it. Just a couple. Gosh, I feel like I need to have like a little disclaimer. Do not put your life on these bucks. Are they good to have? Heck yeah, I think so. Apparently these are used by hedge fund managers, whatever, if you're watching this, are using it. But I like the graphs, I like the charts. Again, I wish they had more information in the back as far as sorry, my voice gets deep, leave me alone. I wish they had more information as far as keeping like a little journal. But I have a video on that. Having a trading journal, man, it's the best thing, best decision I have ever made in my trading, ever. And I hope you have a trading journal, unless you're looking at me like I'm a noob. But yeah, so that's how I use it. I hope that was explained well. Again, if you don't have it, I mean, don't freak out. It's okay if you don't have it. But this is pretty good. So I hope that helped. And I hope you guys have a good week. Trade well, keep your risk small, and let your runs win. So you guys be blessed, and I'll talk to you soon.